Winter motorcycle storage begins with a thorough cleaning to safeguard against corrosion. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and grime, and apply a quality wax to protect the paint. This not only preserves the aesthetics but also acts as a barrier against harsh winter elements, ensuring your motorcycle emerges from storage in top condition. To prevent fuel degradation during winter, add a fuel stabilizer designed for motorcycles before storing your bike. This additive prevents fuel from breaking down and forming deposits that can clog the fuel system. Come spring, your motorcycle will fire up easily, avoiding potential starting issues caused by stale or degraded fuel. Safeguard your motorcycle battery during winter by either disconnecting it or using a smart battery maintainer. This prevents self-discharge and ensures the battery retains its charge. Regularly check the battery voltage, and if necessary, recharge it to the recommended level before revving up your bike for the riding season. Proper tire care is crucial for a smooth transition into spring. Inflate your motorcycle tires to the recommended pressure before storage to avoid flat spots. If possible, elevate your bike or rotate the tires periodically to prevent long-term pressure issues. Come spring, your tires will be ready to hit the road without any complications. As the riding season approaches, conduct a comprehensive inspection of your motorcycle. Check for any signs of wear, loose bolts, or potential issues. Give your bike another thorough cleaning to remove any accumulated dust or residue from storage, ensuring a pristine appearance when you hit the road. Before embarking on your first spring ride, ensure your motorcycle battery is fully charged. Connect it to a charger or tender, allowing it to reach optimum voltage. This precaution not only guarantees a reliable start but also extends the lifespan of your battery, ensuring it serves you well throughout the season. Prioritize a fluid check as part of your post-winter motorcycle maintenance routine. Inspect the oil, brake fluid, and coolant levels, topping up or replacing fluids as necessary. This simple yet vital step ensures optimal engine performance and safety on the road as you kick off the riding season. Before hitting the road, confirm that your motorcycle tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. Inadequate tire pressure can impact handling and fuel efficiency. A quick pressure check ensures your tires are road-ready, providing stability and traction for a safe and enjoyable riding experience. Before hitting the road, confirm that your motorcycle tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. Hope these tips will help you in storing the bike during winter season and in bringing it back from storage for spring and summers.